In today's video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can set up Manychat in your Instagram. And if you don't know, Manychat is a powerful tool for automating your Instagram direct messages, engaging with your followers, and ultimately growing your business. So let's get started. So Manychat right here is popular chatbot platform that allows you to create automated conversations on various messaging apps, and it is particularly useful for Instagram as it helps you manage DMs, respond to common questions, and even run marketing campaigns. So first, you'll need to create a ManyChat account if you don't already have one. So just go to manychat.com and then click on to the Get Started button. So it should be situated on the upper right corner or upper right part of your screen and on the center part. So just click on to the button, and then on the next page, you'll be prompted to select from these options. So for this tutorial, we are going with Instagram. And then you'll be prompted to sign up for or with your Facebook account, as Manychat requires a Facebook business page to connect with Instagram, and just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign up process. So click this continue with Facebook, and once you log in, you'll be then taken to the Manychat dashboard. And after connecting your Facebook account, then you will need to connect your Instagram account. So just follow the on-screen prompts again for you to be able to do that. And after successfully logging in or connecting your Instagram account, then you should be able to see this on your dashboard. And on the dashboard, you'll be able to access different information about your account. So you have here, if you already have some activities for your account, you'll be able to see this on this section. So you have your comments, story replies, DM conversations, and story mentions. Now let us try to do or to create automations. So go to the automation section, which should be located on the left sidebar of your screen. Select automation, and then in here you'll be able to see your automations that if you have already created one. But for this tutorial, we are going to create a new one. Click this plus new automation button on the left or right side part of your screen, and once you are in here, you'll be able to see these different templates that are available for you to use. So you can choose from these options, but for now we are going to start from scratch. So click start from scratch, and then you'll be able to see this. So you have two triggers right here. So these are the triggers that you need to set for your automation. So a trigger is an event that starts your automation. So let us try to do that. Click onto the first trigger. So click add new trigger, and this will pop up on the left side part of your screen. Click add new trigger, and then you'll be able to have different options that you can do for Instagram. So you have here start automation when user comments on your post or reel, user replies to your story, and so on. Now we are going to go with user comments on your post or reel. So click onto that, and then on the section you should be able to see the existing posts that you have on your Instagram. So by the way, if you are using a free account, then you be able to only add automations to your post or to the post that is already available on your account. So you cannot create one. So if you're using a free account, you just need to post or create that post on your Instagram first, and then just go back to ManyChat and create the automation. But for me, I already have my post ready for the automation. So I'm just going to select that from the options and click continue on the bottom part of the screen. And then this is where you'll need to create your keywords. So keywords allow you to automate responses based on specific words or phrases for your followers, or phrases your followers use. So for instance, if someone sends you a message with a word price, or someone commented on your post with a word price, or for this tutorial, we are going to use the emoji or this heart emoji. If they're going to comment this, or you're going to comment this on your post, then you can automatically send them a response with your condition. So for example, if they comment heart on your post, then you'll send them a voucher in their DMs. So let us continue to create the keywords. Just to be sure, I'm just going to add the red heart emoji in text, just in case that the follower will comment it in a text version or in a text form. It is better safe than sorry, right? So I'm going to add different color hearts also and different versions of hearts. So I'm going to do that, add keyword to use this also. So there you go. Now, if you're dissatisfied with what you have with your keywords, click on continue again, and this is where you can set up your public reply in your feed. And after setting up your replies for your followers, you just need to click save right here, and then you can check the informations or the details of your automation once you have done that. So after setting up your first trigger, then you need to create the message or to construct the message that will be sent to your follower that commented on your post. So I'm just going to do that. And after creating or constructing your replies or your message, then what you can also do is to add buttons to your reply or to your message. So you can add a button and now just select from your options. So you have Instagram AI step up to the select existing step. You can add multiple if you want to do that, but I'm not going to do that for mine. So after doing so, your automation is now ready. So what you need to do now is to set it live. And if you want to have a preview for your message, click on to the section and then there you go. So you can preview it. And you can also test the automation in Instagram exactly as your audience will see it. So click on to the section right here and then hit preview. And you will receive a direct message with this 3-digit code to your Instagram account from a different IG account. So if you want to check that, again, open your Instagram on your phone or on your mobile and see if you are already satisfied with what you have. And then if you are done, you can now set the automation live. So click onto this button right here, set it live. And that's it. You have now set up Manychat for your Instagram. And with these tools, you can automate your DMs, engage with your followers, and grow your business more effectively. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.